We are at the pool by Jamie's house, and it is awesome fun. It's the RDs in the pool, jumping and trying to catch a football. Chris and Jason invented this game. Whoa, so close. There goes Rebecca and her baby and Jen. Let's go say hi to the baby. Say hi, guys. The camera. Look, see, isn't she gorgeous? Hello. Say hi, little baby. Hi. Can you see yourself? Yeah. Oh, sorry.
She loves iPhones.
It's an iPhone. Yeah, it's you. Your mommy. Yeah.
Rena, are you taking your turn?
Oh no, I already had one. I just wanted to say hi and get her on video. Bye. This was fun. Everyone, there goes Stephanie. Okay, I'm going to stop now. Hi.